This is a public safety announcement. Do not do gel nails at home. If you'll go through my content, you'll see I never have naked nails. You know why this is happening? Because I have an allergy to acrylates now. When people say gel polish allergy, oh, you'll be fine, that's bullshit. There are a million different little versions of acrylate molecules or acrylates. But the way it works is that once you get an allergy to one of those molecules, now you have a sensitivity to the rest of them. And because acrylates are in literally all of our fucking products, you are constantly exposed to it and you are constantly getting more and more of a reaction. I thought that I had an allergy to HEMA, which is in a lot of gel nail polishes. And people are like, oh, well, you can just go back to regular polish. This is Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. It's a regular polish. This also has acrylates, and when I applied it, it sent burning, fiery pain into my joints. The rest of this video is going to slowly mount to me talking about the severe medical implications of this allergy. It's gel polish, gel extensions, acrylic extensions, and I have to go online to find the ingredients of every polish I buy. Everything you see here has acrylates. I can't use any of this nail polish. Also, the glue that they use for eyelash extensions and wigs, also allergic to that. And if y'all think that's bad, I'm gonna need you to sit down and watch the rest of this video. Acrylates are mostly used in dentistry. I'm only 30 years old. I already have bad teeth. I was scheduled to get a crown next week. I am now allergic to all of the materials that they use to make crowns, implants, veneers, and dentures. And even if I go to the dentist to get a filling that's made out of gold, because gold is an inert metal that you can't be allergic to, the glue that they use to adhere the gold to my tooth is made out of acrylates. I'm fucked. And it's not just dentistry. Anytime a doctor needs to adhere something to your bone, they're going to use acrylates. So like my mom has had 2 hip replacements because of arthritis. I'm already looking into a diagnosis for Ehlers-Danlos. We know that shit is genetic. When the time comes for me to get a hip replacement, I can't fucking do it. I am allergic to everything. When I go to get top surgery and they're trying to sew me back up, a lot of the times they use acrylate-based glues to adhere the skin while they're doing the sutures. I can't use that either. And I've been doing a lot of panicking about stuff that happens in the future, but just going through the products I already own in my house, these 2 are now fucking trash. This is a facial moisturizer from CVS, and this is like a locking gel. It's a hair product. Both of these have acrylates in them, and I'm allergic. When I had an allergic reaction to this nail polish, it is some of the most exquisite pain I have ever felt in my life. And at this point, I can't even use acrylic paint. I'm deathly afraid of stuff like this accidentally touching my skin or even just breathing in the fumes from it. My everyday life is totally different. Don't do gel nails at home.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rubin. I'm a board-certified allergist, and I'm going to provide you some more details on the potential dangers of using gel nail polish so that less people experience what this woman is going through. If you want to learn more about allergies, feel free to hit that follow button for more information. Over the last several years, people have been using more nail polishes that contain acrylates. These nail polishes are often called gels, dips, or shellac. They're resistant to chipping and scratches and can last for weeks, which has made them very popular. Gel nails are made by applying an acrylate-based nail polish that includes a base coat, 2 coats of color, and a top coat, which are each exposed either to an LED or UVA light source to cause polymerization. People who become allergic to acrylates can present with different patterns of rashes. While most people have rashes on their hands, fingers, or wrists, up to 10% may only have a rash on their face or neck. Sometimes the rash may be present on the abdomen or thighs as well. An acrylate allergy usually occurs when the immune system is exposed to the acrylate monomers that accidentally get on the skin and the immune system becomes sensitized to it. If the light source used for polymerization is not used correctly, then some of the acrylate monomers may remain on the skin. Many acrylate nail allergens have been identified. One of the most common is called 2-hydroxyethylmethacrylate, also known as HEMA. Other common allergens are listed here. An acrylate allergy is diagnosed by performing a patch test where the suspected chemical is placed on the back and held there with a patch for several days. A rash such as the one seen here would result if there is an acrylate allergy. Preventing an acrylate allergy is really important because acrylates are used in dental procedures, orthopedic procedures, surgical glues, wound dressings, and contact lenses. They're also used for eyelash and hair extensions as well. Once you get an acrylate allergy, it's there for life and can become very problematic. Here are some tips to help prevent developing an acrylate allergy. First, don't ever get your nails done if you have a rash or skin damage near your nails. This makes it easier for your immune system to see acrylate and become potentially sensitized to it. Next, Never use DIY gel nail kits. Instead, stick with a nail technician who knows what they're doing. The creator I stitched used a DIY kit and likely mishandled the materials. If you're going to polish your own nails, use traditional nail polish. Nitrile gloves provide better protection against acrylate compared to latex or vinyl gloves. Also, there's HEMA-free nail polish you can use to help reduce exposure to acrylates. Let me know if you have any further questions about this file for more information. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.